Mealtime battles. Picky eating and getting your child to eat well can be stressful. Well, you're not alone. As a family physician with children, I see this all the time. So today I'm going to share with you some healthy meal ideas that are kid-friendly and hopefully will help you out during the week. Number 1. Turkey meatballs with sweet potato fries. Now, meatballs don't have to be unhealthy. I love making these little turkey meatballs. You can either grind your own ground turkey or get the ground turkey from the store. And I like to mix it up with some grated carrots, grated zucchini, and onion in there. Add a little bit of Italian-style breadcrumbs, egg, and some seasonings, and then roll them up into little balls. I try to make them a little bit bigger than whatever size meatball that you think your child will eat so that you can cut them into smaller pieces. You can bake these in the oven at 375 degrees for about 20 minutes or until they're cooked through. Now, while those are baking, you can wash and cut up some sweet potatoes into fry shapes. I recommend cutting them a little bit longer than regular French fries because sweet potatoes are a little bit shorter. And then toss them with a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper and bake them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes or until tender. The best part about these is they're both healthy and delicious. My daughter loves these. But if you need more ideas for fun-shaped pasta, check out my pasta video. Number 2. Breakfast for dinner. This is always a hit with my kids. And what I like to do is I like to go to the freezer section of the grocery store and pick up some Jimmy Dean sausage, egg, and cheese croissant sandwiches. They're fully cooked, so all you have to do is pop them in the microwave. And then for the fun part, let your kids pick out a fruit smoothie or an orange juice to go along with it. Or you could also scramble some eggs with some diced up ham and cheese and serve that over some grits or rice. Don't forget the milk or a fruit juice. Number 3. Mini pizzas. Now you can make these with whole wheat English muffins, or you can use a whole wheat tortilla. To do this, I like to grate up some carrots, zucchini, bell peppers, and onions. Then spread some tomato sauce over your English muffin or your tortilla. And for the protein, you can put some pepperoni slices or some shredded cheese or even some diced ham. And then add your veggies on top. You can broil these in the oven at 450 degrees for about 5 minutes or until the cheese is melted. You can also sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top for a little extra flavor. We love these, and they're a great snack or a light dinner. If you'd like some other pizza ideas, check out my pizza video. Number 4. Quesadillas. These are super easy. Just take a whole wheat tortilla and add some beans and cheese to it. You can roll it up or fold it in half. You can also add shredded chicken or steak, tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, lettuce, sour cream, salsa, guacamole, whatever you want. You can get really creative here. Just remember that beans and cheese is a complete protein. And if you want to learn more about how to raise a healthy eater, check out my YouTube video. Number 5. Chicken noodle soup. This is one of my favorite meals because it's so easy to make and it's so comforting. It's perfect for those cold winter days. Now, I like to cube up some chicken breast and then throw it in the slow cooker along with some baby carrots, celery, onion, salt, and pepper. Pour some chicken broth over it and let it cook on low for about 6 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours. After the chicken has finished cooking, shred it apart with 2 forks. And then you can add back into the soup along with some small noodles. Let it cook for another 15 minutes or until the noodles are tender and you're done. I guarantee this is going to be a hit. Number 6. Salmon and broccoli. This is one of our favorite meals. Kids love salmon. It's so yummy. Now what I like to do is pop the salmon fillet in the microwave for about 8 minutes or until it's cooked through. I'll also steam up some broccoli florets in the microwave for about 5 minutes. And then you can serve these together. For some fun salmon ideas, check out my salmon video. Number 7. Shepherd's pie. This is another favorite meal that kids love. You can brown some ground lamb or ground turkey with some chopped up onion and garlic. Then add in some frozen mixed vegetables and a can of diced tomatoes. Cook this on low for about 15 minutes or until heated through. While this is cooking, mash up some sweet potatoes with a little bit of butter and milk and then pour that on top of the meat mixture and bake it in the oven at 375 degrees for about 15 minutes or until heated through. Number 8. Chicken sticks. I love making these chicken sticks for my kids. They're basically just baked chicken tenders. All you have to do is cut up some chicken tenders into strips and then marinate them in some honey, soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. After they've marinated for about 30 minutes, thread them onto some skewers and bake them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes or until cooked through. Serve them with some rice and broccoli, and you have a delicious meal. For some more fun chicken ideas, check out my chicken video. Number 9. Tuna salad. This is a classic kid favorite. You can mix up some tuna, mayonnaise, celery, red onion and seasonings and serve it on some crackers or bread. I like to get the chunk light tuna in water and then drain off the water before mixing everything together. You can also serve it over some lettuce leaves for a fun twist. Number 10. Pancakes. Who doesn't love pancakes? They're great for breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, or a snack. There's nothing better than a stack of fluffy pancakes topped with fresh fruit and a dollop of whipped cream. You can make your own pancakes from scratch, or you can use a box mix. I won't tell. And if you want some fun pancake ideas, check out my pancake video. Number 11. Fruit salad. This is a great way to get your kids to eat their fruit. Just chop up their favorite fruits and toss them in a bowl. My daughter loves when I add some pineapple chunks and a few blueberries in there. It's the perfect summer meal. Number 12. Mac and cheese. Now this is a kid favorite, but you can make it healthier by using whole wheat pasta and by adding in some veggies. When I make mac and cheese, I like to add in some shredded carrots, peas, and cauliflower. I promise your kids won't even notice. Number 13. Leftovers. This is one of our favorite meals. Sometimes you just don't feel like cooking, so leftovers are perfect. We usually have leftovers from the night before that we eat for lunch. It's quick, easy, and it's healthy. Number 14. Burritos. Burritos are another one of my favorite meals because they're so easy to make and they're so versatile. You can fill them with beans, cheese, rice, chicken, beef, steak, fish, shrimp, lettuce, tomato, salsa, guacamole, sour cream. Again, get creative. You can also make them ahead of time and freeze them for a quick meal later. Number 15. Homemade chips and salsa. Now, instead of store-bought chips, which can be high in sodium and fat, you can make your own by slicing up some russet potatoes or sweet potatoes into thin slices, tossing them with some olive oil, salt, and pepper, and baking them in the oven at 275 degrees for about 45 minutes or until crispy. This takes a long time because you have to slice the potatoes very thin, so I recommend doing this the night before so they're ready to go in the morning. You can also use a mandolin to slice the potatoes, which will save you a lot of time. I hope that these 15 healthy meal ideas were helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please share it with other busy parents who need some kid-friendly recipes. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so that you never miss one of my videos. Thanks for watching.